On Spirit Drive, we're talking about alcohol addiction and recovery with Angela Oliphant and Dr. Thea from Eden Medical Retreat. Tell us about some of the programs that are on offer. What usually happens? What's the first step when you arrive at Eden Medical Retreat?
So for us at Eden Medical Retreat, we provide a 24-hour medical supervision for each and individual client that came in, meaning that the client won't be dealing with this alone, having all the withdrawal symptoms not being treated. In Eden Medical Retreat, we will make sure that the craving and withdrawal symptom will be addressed and managed appropriately, either during the detoxification period or throughout the recovery process. So we have licensed medical professionals, medical doctors, psychiatrists, and also psychologists and counselors to help us on board to provide a comprehensive management for each client.
Okay, is there a standard timeline of rehabilitation, or is it custom-made, I guess, depending on the severity of the issue?
It is tailored to each client and the severity or magnitude of their addiction problem, but at the very minimum, we would recommend at least 3 months of in-house medical treatment duration.
Yep.
And that could be extended, depends on the condition of each client.
Okay, and also either Dr. Thea or Angie as well, I guess tell us about what sets Eden Medical Retreats apart from the others or other similar organisations.
I have been asked this question quite a few times actually today, and the difference between ourselves and many of the other rehab centres around Australia and globally is that we believe that 85% or higher of people suffering from substance abuse, whether it be alcohol or drugs, have a dual diagnosis. They have a pre-existing psychiatric condition, and sometimes for many, many years that goes undiagnosed. And our job is to actually find that out and assess and treat, because people can go through with, borderline personality disorders, and, there's 400,000 people or greater numbers walking around in our groups. In America, there's 4 million people with that disorder, and they still are functioning, but not to their full potential. And so, it's not just that one condition. There can be a multiple range of psychiatric conditions that can cause people to require the confidence which they lack, and so they either turn to alcohol or to drugs, so they feel that they've got the confidence to actually adapt to society.
And I guess there is peace of mind too, because at Eden Medical Retreat you are dealing with licensed medical professionals.
Yes, we are. Everyone is qualified in their field. Of course, I'm registered in Australia as a registered nurse, and I administrate the programs here. Dr. Thea also is qualified, and she studied in Australia and did her master's at James Cook University in Queensland, and the psychologist is the same, and the psychiatrist also. So they're all qualified. And most of our staff has been working in Australia and New Zealand, so they're used to our Western culture, so it makes it very easy for them to communicate. They've spent years in Australia and New Zealand.
Yeah, it's certainly a topic that does hit close to home for many people who may be listening this afternoon. And if people want to make that very first step and want to get in touch with the team at Eden Medical Retreat, where's the best way to do that?
Well, if they can call me direct on my mobile number, +62 819 1742 0804, or they can contact us on email at info@edenmedicalretreat.com.
Excellent. And you can see all of the features as well, all of the programs at the official website. That's Eden Medical Retreat, all one word, .com. We really appreciate your time. Thank you very much, Angela. And thanks again, Dr. Thea, for joining us.
Thank you, Matt. Nice to talk.
Thanks, Matt. Look forward to talking to you later on.
No worries. Angela Oliphant and Dr. Thea from Eden Medical Retreat. This is Spirit Drive. We'll be back after this.